We shall look at a low cost solution for online lectures and presentation. Some of us are quite comfortable in the pen and paper, the chalk and talk approach for the delivery of the lecture, because this slows down the delivery of lecture. The students will have more time to watch and think. So for this, we require a camera pointing towards the paper in which we are writing. And for this, you may actually use the smartphone. You may use smartphone as the webcam. For using the smartphone as the webcam, you need to install software in smartphone. You need to install software in smartphone. The software that needs to be installed is Epoch Cam or Epoch Cam HD. As the name suggests, this is high definition, whereas this is low definition. And another thing is, this is free, whereas this is priced. This has to be purchased at rupees 599 per device. It is for every smartphone you have to pay 599. As for the software to be installed in the PC or laptop, the software to be installed is Kinomi driver. Kinomi driver for Epoch Cam. Actually, this is Kinomi, the name of the supplier. Name of the supplier, or he the developer who has offered this software. So this Kinomi driver to be installed in the laptop, this is actually free. It can be freely downloaded and installed. Okay. So the software to be installed on the PC or laptop is the Kinoni driver for EpochCam or EpochCam HD, and the supplier name is Kinoni. This is a Finland based company. Kinoni is the Finland based company, and this software can be, as far as the driver is concerned, it is freely downloaded, can be freely downloaded, installed, and it can be installed in any number of systems. Can be installed in any number of systems. Can be installed in any number of systems. That means the same webcam can be used in different machines. Okay. So first thing is you have to install the EpochCam or EpochCam CD on the. You have to install the EpochCam or EpochCam HD onto the smartphone, and similarly you have to install the Kinoni driver for EpochCam in the PC or laptop and then install. So for invoking this, you have to open the EpochCam HD. If you want high definition, you can actually open the EpochCam HD on the phone. So once you do this, any VC software, any video conferencing software such as WebEx, the MS Meeting, Skype, okay, all that will recognize the EpochCam camera, that is the smartphone as the webcam, okay, and you can actually start capturing your handwritten notes, and it can be either recorded or it can be sent to a remote place. Okay, so the software to be installed, there are two software to be installed, one on the smartphone and another on the PC or laptop. The EpochCam HD, okay, this is preferable, even though it is to be priced, it is to be purchased, it is preferable because it has got many features like the advantage of the EpochCam HD. Advantages of EpochCam HD is it can be connected through Wi-Fi or USB. It can be connected to the laptop or PC through either Wi-Fi or USB. Second thing is it has high definition. Okay. Thirdly, you can choose whether you want Wi-Fi or USB. You can choose different options. You can choose different options and different resolutions. You can choose different options for connectivity. You can also use different options for resolution, whether you want low resolution, high resolution, standard definition. All those things can be done using EPCOM HD, but you can't do it using the. Another thing is there will be no watermarking on the video. In the case of EPCOM, which is free, you will have only watermarking, and there will also be no advertisement. Okay, one very important advantage is you can use the microphone of the phone as the microphone of the computer. You can use the microphone of the phone as the microphone of the computer. This is really important because when you are actually writing and speaking, you will be closer to the smartphone than to the computer. Okay, you will be closer to the smartphone than to the computer, and hence your voice will be recorded better by the smartphone than by the computer. And also there are many computers may have poor sensitivity for camera. For microphone, and in fact it may be your display may be nearby you, but your system may be far away. Okay, so using the microphone of the phone as the microphone of the computer or the laptop is really highly advantageous, and this can be done only with the EPCOM HD, but not with the EPCOM software. And one more thing is, while you are using this, if there is any phone call, you can still attend. Okay, so I think it's a very good software. If you really want to use the talk approach, and the resolution of the camera is also very good, and we will see in one of the later videos how actually you can use the webcam for video conferencing application. Okay, in the next presentation we'll see how the webcam can be used along with the video conferencing software, and how you can deliver the chalk and talk approach for delivery of presentation or seminar. And as far as this video is concerned, this is recorded using the camera app in the Windows 10 OS. Okay, bye for now.